Good morning, everyone. Today is October 27, 2022, Wednesday. Sorry about yesterday. I got some problem about that, how I could not make the video. Sorry about that. So we come back with the market for today. As you know, we can see is a lot up to start getting much green, and it's going to be red later. It's really red because like we've been gaining like 3 or 4 days together, and from now to the weekend everything have to be change the color, and that's of course no way to run away from it. So here we can compare the US dollars with a lot of money around the world. So we have 5 green spot and 7 red spot, even though brown spot we call them red too. So it means the money from the US is went down. It's good. That's awesome. Is there too much green? That's not that good. That's the overview for the currencies. And this in crypto, we can see Bitcoin being gained up a little bit, but all of them is going to be getting loose later for today. However, got the profits on, please sell them out. And here we can tell a lot of sectors yesterday's gain up like over 60 some percent, but the whole country lost like $10,000 billion. Yeah, right there. But sectors kind of gain, but finally they think it's the gain, but it's like compare with whatever before, like yesterday or 2 days ago, it's still like nothing. Still the number are losing. So here we can see ours, like the food price going to be going up next week. Yep, that's for sure. So gold and silver is down, and natural gas is not that bad, and especially crude oil is up a little bit, and it's going up next couple weeks. So we can see S&P 500, Nasdaq drop, and Dow Jones gain a little bit. So that's pretty much Dow Jones is the most strongest one. If Dow Jones drop, all of them will drop for sure, and no way to change it. And we call this one a leader, the stock leader. And right now in Tesla gain a little bit this morning is like around over 2%. As right now it's starting to drop a little bit, and Microsoft and Meta and Google drop a lot. So especially Google A, Google C, it's being slipped to share. That's worth like over $1,000 for a share right now. Is this lift like down to 10 times? That's mean the cost around 100. Or right now it's the market price V1's under $100. Or whoever want to buy Google, go ahead and buy it right now because $90 some dollars, pretty cheap, and next time you can sell it pretty good price. And ETFs started to drop today, especially SPY and QQQ. Go ahead and get them. So, and especially get them far away. Like every order you can get like $1 or $2 down. So this option area, so option we can get like Google is we can call Google up like next month, or call Google to December. That's pretty good. And GOOGL and GOOG, yeah, 2 of them is good. And especially ACI, that's pretty good and pretty cheap for next month, the 18th. And I think LAZR is pretty decent, but I'm not recommending that much. So anyway, remember, I share what I buy and you chose what you buy. That's pretty stable and very clear. So on here we can see this is a leader like the volume leader is going to call them V2 leader stock, EPIX, so EPIX, so Snap and Meta is the most, because like Meta is I want to share like it's really deep information. A lot of shareholders been pull the money out. Yeah, they pull like a lot, hundred billion dollars, like $1,000,000. Sorry. And Tesla going to be dropped today because 24,000 vehicles like over the seatbelt issue. This is bad news. Yeah. Whoever get a call today, please sell them out when 8:30, and store just the put for option, and you will make a lot of money. So anyway, be careful with those news over there, but like very clearly news like this, and nothing can fake. Sometimes they're mumbling about the fake one. When you read them, that exactly is right away. So this one is the total side is the gain side on the left and the loss side on the right. Gain side again, EPIX gain 180%, and RLX gain 42%, and the loss side is just on all of them on the right. And especially right now, the first stock we're going to get today is Meta, and it's the first time in my channel I think I share Facebook, because right now Facebook going down a lot, and you can get the crypto. You can get the option with much lower, and buy the put and 100% for today, and you will get a lot of money in the put for Meta company, like Facebook company. I know why they changed the name, but that one, since they changed the name and everything went down, is they like not good anymore. So $348 billion, that's the cap, and highest one is 353, and lowest one is 99, and right now is in the L1 is it's going to be like around 90 for today if the markets drop. Oh my god, if they keep dropping, because honestly the market change every second, and we can guide the direction here on the sector. We can see strong buy, and we should get it, because anyway, especially $290 billion being withdrawn by the shareholder. Yeah, because I know what's going on with Jack McKinberg, and that's a problem, the way he's run the company. But it's 26% is green and 27.3% is red, and that's why whoever sells more than whoever buy it. And the second stock for today is CD Group, as financial company, and it's really big. I believe this is take care of Best Buy credit card. It's one of the strongest one, and really long time ago in America. It's one of the first top 20 banks in America since 1812. That's mean, oh my god, 1018, and now we got like 2022. Oh my god, it's like, yeah, 10,000 years. Yes, it's a pretty long time. So the employee, they got over 223,000 people, but plus the contractor is going to be over 250,000 people around the world work for them. And here we can see, because I see the event is going to be getting up a little bit for today, and 100% is you buy car and you will gain some. So 21% is green, 23% is red, and here we go. We can see they gain some from the investor as $4 million this morning, just this morning. And we can see they've been gain more. You see all the way on the left, 15 plus 0.40 some plus 4 point some, and negative some. It's not that bad. Thank you very much. See you guys tomorrow.